Have you ever wondered how a deep cut can be closed so precisely? Proper wound closure is a fundamental skill in clinical medicine, combining biological understanding with technical precision. Suturing is a medical technique used to bring separated tissue edges together, helping a suitable wound heal while restoring the continuity of the skin. By mechanically approximating the edges, we minimize the gap that the body must bridge with new tissue, leading to faster recovery and reduced scarring. Before closing a wound, clinicians first assess its size, depth, location, and contamination level. A thorough examination is critical to determine the best closure method. They also check whether deeper structures, such as nerves, blood vessels, tendons, joints, or bones, may be involved. Damage to these systems requires specialized repair beyond simple skin suturing to ensure full functional recovery of the affected area. Before suturing, bleeding must be controlled and the wound cleaned thoroughly to prevent infection. Preparation is just as important as the stitch itself. Irrigation helps remove debris and reduce contamination, while careful inspection determines whether the wound is suitable for primary closure. We typically use large volumes of sterile saline to flush out foreign material without damaging the delicate, exposed tissue. Local anesthesia can be used to reduce pain during wound repair, ensuring a comfortable experience for the patient and a steady workspace for the clinician. The anesthetic temporarily blocks nerve signaling around the injured area by inhibiting sodium channels along the nerve fibers. This allows the clinician to work more comfortably and precisely, ensuring the best possible cosmetic and functional outcome. The goal of suturing is accurate tissue approximation. We want the edges to meet perfectly, mirroring the skin's original anatomy. The wound edges are brought together, especially the deeper dermal layers, while avoiding excessive tension that could increase tissue damage and scarring. Proper alignment ensures that the skin's strength is restored effectively as the body begins its natural repair. A curved surgical needle carries the suture through the tissue. The needle's shape is designed to follow a natural circular path through the skin layers. In a simple interrupted stitch, the needle enters one side of the wound and exits through the opposite side at a carefully controlled depth. The entry and exit points should be equidistant from the wound edge to ensure even distribution of tension. As the suture is tightened, the wound edges come together. The physical meeting of the tissue is the first step toward long-term healing. Proper technique creates close approximation without excessive pressure, helping maintain blood flow to the healing tissue. We aim for slight eversion of the edges, turning them slightly outward to compensate for the natural contraction that occurs during the healing process. The two ends of the suture are then tied securely. The knot is the mechanical anchor that maintains the closure throughout the early healing phase. The knot holds the tissue edges in position while the wound begins its natural healing process. It should be tied firmly enough to secure the edges, but not so tight that it cuts into the skin or restricts blood supply to the area. For longer wounds, multiple stitches may be placed at intervals along the incision to provide uniform support across the entire injury. With simple interrupted sutures, each stitch is individually tied, allowing tension to be adjusted at each point. This technique is highly reliable, as the failure of a single stitch won't necessarily compromise the entire closure. Once the wound is closed, it may be covered with an appropriate dressing. This final step provides an extra layer of defense for the new repair. Aftercare helps protect the repair from contamination, while the body begins rebuilding the damaged tissue. A clean, moist environment is often ideal for promoting rapid cell growth and reducing the risk of complications. Underneath the stitches, wound healing continues in several distinct biological stages. The sutures provide the scaffolding for this complex work. Inflammation clears damaged material, while fibroblasts produce new collagen fibers to bridge the gap. Over time, new blood vessels develop, and the collagen network gradually remodels to increase the tensile strength of the scar. Sutures are temporary support, not the healing process itself. They are the tools we use to help the body do its best work. They hold the wound edges together, while the body's repair mechanisms rebuild the tissue. As healing progresses, sutures may be removed when the tissue has regained enough strength to stay closed on its own.